Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself. Today I will show you how to set up auto lock and auto unlock on my Ford Transit. The story is a couple of days ago I took it to Ford dealer, and they were working on my catalytic converter, and I don't know if they had to reset the computer or whatever they did, but I lost automatic locking and unlocking function on my vehicle, which automatic locking is not that big of a deal, but unlocking it's kind of was convenient because how it works, when you open just the driver door, all of the doors automatically opens. And couple of times, when I got used to this option for many years, and when I'm going back for my cargo and I either forgot a key inside the car or in my pocket, and I'm trying to grab the door and it's locked. Yeah, it's something silly like that, but so my Ford is actually offering three options. Auto locking. What it is when you start rolling and you pass, I believe it's like 8 miles per hour, all of the doors locks. Well, it's a cool feature, I say. It's probably useful when you have kids in your car. Not for me, but again, auto unlocking, like I said, this is pretty much already in my blood. I've been using it every day on my job, so very useful for me. And global lock and global unlock. What that is actually on your remote control. You have to push only once, because how it says from the factory, when you push, like in my case, once the front door opens, the cab door, and when you push the second time, this says within 3 seconds, then the cargo area open. And I think I'm gonna change it to global unlocking and locking this time, because I mean, pretty cool feature. I mean, save me a battery, I say, on my remote control. I have to push it only once now. So here, I mean, I'm gonna show it's actually really easy. Right there on your display, just go through the setting. To get to the setting on your display, it doesn't matter where you are either, or like I have it to 72 miles to empty tank, or degrees outside, or whatever. It doesn't really matter. You go, this is your remote control over here, if you will. So you go left, one click left, you have this menu opens up, and then you just go down, trip 2, one more down, information, one more down, setting. Then you go to your right over here, right click, you have display, and you have convenience. You go down to convenience, so it's selected. Right click, locks, another right, and you have this auto lock. So auto lock, I want that. Click OK, and it's selected. Then we go one more down, auto lock, auto unlock, yes. One more down, global unlock, yes. And that's all the options. That's how simple this thing is on the Ford Transit. And now I have this option. And to get out of there, you just go backwards. You go left, another left, another left, and then, like in my case, I was on the trip 1, back to main menu.